Hey everyone, so far we have covered I think two kind of slides, right? We have covered a forward slide, we have covered a backward slide. But today in this video I am going to cover one special kind of slide. And let me tell you one more thing that forward slide, backward slide. There is one more slide that you can make from the combination of these, like this kind of slide. If I talk about what about this, like I have done what I have done is I have just like combined all these two slides. I was doing this I was doing this separately, so instead of doing it separately I have combined it. I have given one stroke here, you can see it right here. Okay, one stroke, and in one stroke I have covered this. If I talk about the example of this kind of slide that we can use it, you must have heard about that Jaan Nisar song from Kedarnath movie, right? So in that there is a part Narazgi Teri. So you can see how it goes. Okay, I think we have covered intro part of this song, right? So you can see this. Okay, that was the intro part of it. Now if I talk about that Narazgi Teri and this forward and backward slide together, so it's like it goes like this. Okay, so this is other kind of slide. But if I talk about one different kind of slide that may be a difficult slide for beginners, if you are a beginner, so I would suggest you to practice it. See, if you are a beginner, it's truly good if you are doing all basic exercises of say 1 to, like coming from 1 to 12, 1 to 12 fretboard, and then 3 4 5 6. Okay, then diagonally exercise that we have covered so far. But I would suggest you don't limit yourself if you are a beginner. So that's like it's something like you can still cover a few advanced exercises. It's good if you are conveying your 2 to 3 hour, maybe 1 to 2 hour for beginning exercises, but still you can convey 10 to 15 minutes at least on a daily basis, or maybe within a week you can convey around 40 minutes 50 minutes to some advanced level, or I won't say advanced, I will say intermediate level, at least something that is one step ahead from your beginning exercises. Okay, so I'm just coming back to this slide part. So you must have heard about Kahani Suno song. So Kahani Suno goes like this. Okay, so it's like you can see this. So you can see this, I didn't go like this, I went like this. I stopped from 7th fret, I stopped at 6, and then from 6th fret I went to 4th fret. Just see it again. Okay, okay, so it's like you can see here too, we went forward slide. Okay, this is our forward slide, then I took 3 strikes, 3 hits. Okay, then from 1st to 5th slide, it's like what we are doing is we are going from 1st to 5th fret, but with a pause on 3rd fret, and we are also creating a noise of that say melody of that third, we are creating that sound of that particular 3rd fret. It's not like we are just touching it and moving forward. We are not doing this, we are doing. Okay, so you can practice this if you find it difficult, so I can come up with more good lessons so that it would be difficult, so it would be not too much difficult for you to understand how to practice this. Okay, I hope this video is insightful for you. And yeah, in my coming classes I will be covering Kahani Suno tab lesson like completely, because this is a very good song, and I think like me, a lot of you are also looking forward to get the lesson tab lesson of this song. So let's do this, let's cover this song too. So I hope you found this video insightful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.